disclaimer. All right, let's start with something simple that you can do at home with some very simple ingredients that you hopefully should have at the house, but if not, you likely should be able to get them at the dollar store. It's pepper, black pepper, store brand, plain dish soap, and a glass dish. I almost forgot. Whoa, where'd this come from? But yeah, we have to get water as well. Pretty much it. You should actually be able to use your sink for this too. So I'm gonna sprinkle pepper on top, and I want you to notice, do you see how it floats? Not because pepper floats, but because the water surface is holding it up. That surface is made from water molecules holding hands, literally clinging together. Cohesion. Water loves itself, like as a concept, not necessarily like as a feeling kind of thing. Surface tension is like a stretchy skin on top of any liquid, and really that's even like a water drop on yourself. But watch what happens when I touch the center of the pepper with dish soap. That's the effect I want you to notice. The soap, well, it breaks the water's hand holding. It interrupts the surface tension, and the pepper gets pushed away really, really fast. Do you see? Now, let's go deeper. This is the same force that lets insects walk on ponds, that helps water form round droplets, that makes raindrops cling to windows, like on rainy days like this. And it lets your body keep fluid inside of your cells. You definitely want that to happen. You don't live a single day without surface tension working just for you. And here's something advanced. Surface tension is why bubbles form. It's why soap cleans. It's why waves curl. It's even actually a part of how your lungs open and close with every inhale and exhale. Did you know when you breathe in, your alveoli, the tiny air sacs, want to collapse, literally? Surface tension, though, tries to pull them inward, and as a result, your body produces a natural, organic, some might call soap, called surfactant, to break that tension and keep your lungs open. I'm gonna put a little definition for surfactant because I just like putting definitions for things. It looks really cool. So this little pepper experiment, you just saw the exact same physics happening deep inside of your chest, probably right now. Isn't that amazing? And it actually brings us to our next segment, because everything clicks together once you see how this really plays a role in invention, in engineering, in medicine, and problem solving.